In this video, we'll be discussing about the remaining 3 members of herpes viridae family, that is human herpes virus 6, human herpes virus 7 and human herpes virus 8. They don't have any specific name like Epstein-Barr virus or cytomegalovirus. They are known as their own name, human herpes virus, just simple. Now this human herpes virus 6 and 7 are almost similar, so we'll study them together. Now, they bind to T cells via CD46 receptor, and they have two variants, 6A and 6B, and they are transmitted through this oral secretion. In children, it causes the sixth disease, also called roseola infantum or exanthum subitum, whereas in adults it causes mononucleosis-like syndrome. It is not the infectious mononucleosis we studied in Epstein-Barr virus. It is mononucleosis-like syndrome. Where else we studied this mononucleosis-like syndrome? So it was in our previous video, the cytomegalovirus. Okay. Now you have noticed one thing, that this virus has everything 6. Human herpes virus 6. The receptor is CD46, and the variants were 6A and 6B. So 6. Mode of transmission was oral secretion. That is, we can say it like secretion. And in children, it causes this sixth disease. So everything 6. So what happens in this sixth disease, or say roseola infantum or exanthum subitum? The child will have fever, and also Nagayama spots will be seen. Now what is this Nagayama spots? So you can see here, it is erythematous rash, and it is usually seen near this soft palate and uvula. And also the child will have rash after fever. This is rose pink non-pruritus papules. Okay. Now this was all about human herpes virus 6 and 7. Nothing more. Now about human herpes virus 8. This is also a small topic, not that big, but just a small. So it causes 3 diseases. The first one we all know is Kaposi sarcoma. The second one is primary effusion lymphoma. And the third one is Kesselman disease. These two are cancers, but this is just a disease. Okay. So starting with Kaposi sarcoma, it is a vascular tumor, and it is most commonly associated with HIV. Its most common site is lower limbs, especially skin, because it's a vascular disease. So it will be most associated with the skin. And the second most common site is lymph nodes, as you can see here. Now about primary effusion lymphoma. It is clinically associated with patients who have a history of lot of effusions, like pleural effusion, pericardial effusion, and other effusions. This was all about this primary effusion lymphoma. Now the Kesselman disease. So it occurs in lymph nodes, and when we see it microscopically, we see this lollipop-like structure, and this structure is called lollipop follicles. You can see this is like a lollipop, and this is the stick. So it's lollipop follicles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends.